today I decided to make cinnamon buns without a recipe because I don't let anyone control what I do. First, to start off, I'm wearing my apron, but as you can see, there's stuff on my... This isn't my apron. I found my apron. This is my favorite type of spatula. This is not my favorite spatula, but this is my favorite type of spatula. I watched the VMAs yesterday, so whenever this video is coming out, it's like a day after September 11th. I'm doing this. I watched the VMAs yesterday. I know it's voted by the people, or at least I found out it's voted in by the people, but there is no reasonable way that Fortnite by Taylor Swift should have gotten all those awards, okay? She won like every category, and it's just because of her mounting fan base. Because so many other people deserve... She didn't deserve best collaboration, okay? Like, I get it, Post Malone and her is like a weird thing, but Billie Eilish did her first collab in like 4 years or something like that, something crazy, and she doesn't even get recognition for that. And the song of the summer is Fortnite. It was a brat summer. You can't tell me in any world that Fortnite won best music video production. No, it's literally just Reputation, but like 4 years too late, 5 years too late. I don't even... It made me really mad. Oh, I'm going to do this again. She just plays off other drama, like being scared of those things last 2 years ago. I'm going to starting on She just plays off other stuff, probably actually like her switch on this, freestyle combo that she did for Taste Espresso and Please. And it actually changed my mind, okay? I actually watched that as a game. They got music and then I watched she clips after getting her festivals, what is the sandwiches? And I was like, she's relatable. And I can live with that. I can live with the fact that maybe she does a lot of stuff just for the drama. My house one doesn't, doesn't carry vanilla flavoring, so I guess we're going with something else. I have salt. I have these fancy salt shakers, but they kind of stuck. Like, they don't, nothing really comes out of them. Oh, there we go. That's good enough. That's enough salt. I saw someone say that the biggest meme of 2024 was the... Imagine if Ninja got a low table fade. But honestly, I think that's a trash opinion, and I would have given it to either Drake in general, or... Like, that needs more. That's good. Or I would have given it to Hawktua Girl, or I would give it to, like, just, like, degenerate language. Like, Ohio, Riz, Skibbity, Sigma. Don't look in there. The brown sugar. This is what it looks like right now. It's just like, smells like sugar and flour. I also brought baking soda with my baking powder because I don't know which one goes in, so I'm putting both in. Did I say I was making cinnamon rolls? I'm trying to make cinnamon rolls. We have peppermint extract, we have lemon extract, we have anise extract. Actually, I really love those in cookies. If anyone wants to make me that type of cookie. And we have almond. Did you know actually that Crumble uses almond flavoring in their sugar cookies, their pink sugar cookies? That's why they taste the way they do. Yeast. Do they have yeast in cinnamon rolls? We're gonna crack the egg. The first egg is just the full egg, and the second egg is just gonna be the yolk. So I'm gonna crack this over the trash can so I can throw the white away, because that part comes out first. So let me do that. Always when you're stirring eggs, you should put a little bit of salt in because it breaks up the membrane of the small, medium, or large whisk. Small. I think we're going to add the pure almond extract. Should we color our cinnamon rolls a color? I see some coloring right in front of me in this basket. I feel like it would be kind of gross if I added something. Maybe if there's a blue. I'm just seeing multiple colors of green. Oh, here's a blue. Let's make some blue cinnamon rolls. It's blue now, as you can see. I could add a little bit of coffee. Let me add a little coffee to this. She did a pretty good job. Look at that. Look at that smooshy butter. Why am I smooshing it like this? Because I don't care. Let's see if I can get this out. How much butter do I add? This much? I think this much? I feel like less. Oh, ew. Get. Oh, crap. Ugh. That's good. That's enough butter. I got a little bit. Oh, I just put it on my pants. Oh, I'm going to do a 2-part mix-in, which is I'm going to put in half and then save some. So I'll put in a little bit first of my blue goopy-doo. I don't think this looks right. Delicious. It tastes so good. The next step is the sauce that goes on top. Yes. This is the consistency we're working with. I don't know what I did wrong. It is just sugar and butter. I added a lot of it onto the top. Guys, something is very, very wrong about what I made. So here it is. Now it's glory. But for some reason, this is the middle. Even though I cooked this thing for like 40 minutes. There's a whole jump cut. It's warm enough that all the bacteria is killed. So once this is completely cooled, I will take a schneebel. Yummy. 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 That's how this thing turned out, guys. My creation that took over 45 minutes of cooking plus all the cleaning up and such. It's supposed to be blue. Don't know how we got here. I grabbed some of the inside part and the outside part because I don't discriminate against the cooked and the non-cooked part. I mean, it's not bad. I'm gonna call this a win because it's edible. I mean, I haven't died yet. Good for babies because look, babies can't have solid food. This it's just glob. Oh, color, it tricks them into thinking it's vegetable. You tell them it's vegetables and they try it and they're like, yummy, not vegetables. And then they eat it and then they want vegetables more in their life, and so win-win for the parents and the child. Okay, I'm throwing it out.